Okay, I want to talk about mazes a little bit and how do you do it if you ever want to make one for yourself or make one for other people. I'm going to start in the middle. And now, I found the best way to do this is if you start in the middle and you try to work your way out. Once you get used to that, you can go the side-to-side version if you want. What we're going to do is we're going to borrow walls. So I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to peel out at least 2 directions, and I'm going to make some more choices from there. The more choices I make, the harder I make it to be. Here's the start. So I'll just start in a circle here. I'm leaving one way out. Now if I borrow walls, like this, here's a borrowed wall. And I've got one way right now, but now if I make 2 directions again and peel off, from here I've got 2 ways. I definitely have a way out. I've got 2 ways out right now, so I need to end one of those and create another way out. Now I've got these 2 choices. And if I keep doing this enough, now I've got 3, I'm not even going to know the way out. So I can do this even like a solitaire game if I like. I can also combine these walls, or not walls, but hallways. If I combine them like that, then I'm going to keep the person going around in circles, and it's a lot of fun to watch. It makes it a lot harder to do, and it makes it harder for people who start at the finish and go to the start. The more of these walls you join, the more difficult it gets. So here's another way of doing it where I've got this one avenue, and you go down, and you've got 2 choices from here. But the more smaller choices I make on the way, the more difficult it gets. And the more times I combine, again, the more I make people go around and around. So there is definitely a way where you can square this off too, as a way to make it look more traditionally maze-like, but this is a great way to start, a great way to understand how you can build from the center out and not have all the extra space which comes when you use some other methods on how to make mazes.